previous day's low, that red line. So let's see what it's going to do. It's going to give us a chance to get in. That'd be great. It's already really spiked up pretty high there. Any kind of red bar ignored trend line break. We're looking forward to stay over the 20 EMA. But when it just takes off like this, that's a nice looking 60-minute chart, 5-minute chart, strong. Day chart right above that red line. Looking to go to the close, I think. Shall it go to the close? That red line is that dashed line is the close of previous day. Bounce off the 20, possible trend line break here. I don't know if it's gone too high yet though. Sometimes when it goes 4 or 5 legs up. I think it might want to get there. It might want to get to that close. I guess we can give it a try. Red bar ignored. Try it. Try to scalp it a little bit here. All right. I'm going to be more patient with my trading, I hope. And just wait and not try to be so active when... I mean, this is a great looking chart. Great swings. I want all these moving averages to be going up. I want it to dip down and close back above the 20. There's a close, there's this interesting, I'd like to see the moving averages pointed up though. If they're coming down, if it goes over the top of this, that would be interesting.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll give that a shot. See if it keeps going here. If not, we're going to know that it's a little weak up here, obviously, but bounce off the trend line and keep right on going, my friend. That would be great. Keep going. Just get up to that close. That close is right up there waiting for you. I gotta at least get to 1-to-1 before I can break even. I mean, so it's always nice to just relax in the trade and just relax. Even if you lose, relax, relax, relax. Here it comes. That's fine. That was a good try. I just want to do good tries today. I just want to do good tries. It's going to go sideways and be in a range, then I can't be trading this. So the big thing for me to learn is when to stop trading and wait for a better setup. That is what I got to learn if I'm ever going to get better. Okay, this trend line's not doing anything, so let's see what we got here. Now, if it just decides to go sideways, I'm not going to be able to go long on this thing anytime soon. It might drop below this red line and start heading back down. And then I don't have any trades because I really, to go short, I'm going to want to see all this stuff switch around. Or at least start pointing down. When all these other lines start pointing down, I'll be interested in shorting. But right now, I could see people trying to short this though on the breakdown. There's so many different ways of trading. Really quick, tight scalping is a beautiful way to trade. And that would only require these first three to start pointing down, and right now they're working. Quick. But on the higher time charts, they're still going up. On the 5-minute, 15-minute, everything's still pointed up. So what that's what these lines represent right here. This is showing us what the higher time charts are doing, and they're still heading up. I'm not interested in shorting unless all of these are pointing down. Okay, we got a trend line break, but I still need the moving averages to point up because the momentum is still down. We get a break here and a red bar ignored or something, continuation, we'll probably see everything point back up. Because yeah, on the 15-minute chart you can see it's just pulling back. 5-minute charts just pulling back. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Order filled.
I'll try this. And it may get me again, but that's okay. I mean, I'm going to try what seems reasonable here. That one did seem reasonable. Let's see, that one seemed reasonable. Just didn't continue. This one seems reasonable and bounced off the red line, but let's see if it drops down. That'd be 2 fakes in a row, and that's fine. But eventually I'm going to have to understand that, hey, the market is chopping sideways, and that got me last night. You got to be able to know, hey, the market's chopping sideways. You can't use this strategy on that market condition. All right. Are we going to get stopped out again? Let's check and see. All right. Just trying to get the music not too loud. This thing is choppy sideways. This is ugly. That's choppy sideways. This is
Stop
ugly.
filled.
Oh, there we go. That's nice to know. All right. Just trying to get the music not too loud. This thing is choppy sideways. This is ugly.
I am looking at the S&P. A lot of those orders that we did see, some of them did get filled. What price was that? 68.27. 68.27. We saw some of those 1,000 lots filled. There is still more size up at 68.44 right now. 934 lots. Let's see if the market
Okay,
continues
now
to
what?
act
We're
as a
gonna try it
magnet for
again?
those and fill them, and what that might mean
I don't
for
think
our
so. I'm
trading
gonna
day.
wait.
Hogue, I think we are good to go.
Yeah.
Let's do the
Let's do the thing.
Take us into fast markets. Hogue.
Thanks, Jade. Thanks, JD. And a big thanks to Jessica Inskep. She's just a wealth of knowledge. One of the things that sticks out to me that she said was, yeah, there's a difference between investing and trading. And now, folks, it's time to start trading. We've got Shubham top of the chat, Man Caves, Trader Hub, Anastasios, Tommy C. We got Hoog.
Yeah, see, I'm glad I didn't try that little pop right there. I'm just looking at these moving averages. I'm like, it popped, yeah, but look how flat that is. It's not like it's popping with a lot of momentum in it. I'm so glad I didn't take that trade right there. Well, it's hanging around the low of previous day, so I mean, just waiting to see what it's going to do here. I just typed in my 2 lines. I'm the only one watching my live stream to see if my 3 timers would go off in the Nightbot dashboard. One set for 8 minutes, one set for 10, one set for 20. Now all 3 of them went off just from me typing 2 lines. Yet last week when I typed 2 lines, only the first one would go off. And I'm not even sure if it hasn't even been 20 minutes yet, and the third one went off, so I don't know why it's went off early. Oh, that one's set for 8 minutes too? No, that's the welcome one. That one is set for 20 minutes. Steps. All right, now we have a crossover of the lines. So, and it fell below the red line. That 5-minute chart's just simply showing us that it's mixed big time. Longer time frame is down, shorter time frame is up, but it's falling back below. So it definitely could keep going down. Once these lines start to turn down, which we're waiting on the bottom one, once they turn down, then we'll look for a pullback to go short. But right now, it's almost there. It's not quite there yet. I can see people getting in earlier for various reasons. Just for me, I want to make sure that I'm not getting in too early.
Trading is also not trading. If you don't trade, that's also, if you don't take trades, that's also trading.
Yes, it is. Makes it difficult when you're on this, when you're streaming though, and you're just sitting there.
Yeah.
Show me some trades. It's
A little
Right.
pump
Well,
here.
pop. There's
Something
something
happening.
coming. Yeah, no, something's coming. There we go.
We might be able to get a momentum trade here to the upside if it keeps going over these red bars. I'll jump in it.
Order submitted.
Oh my gosh, it went too fast. I hate that. Let it come get me. I'm not gonna get in early now. I can't get in now. It's going to the, that's unfortunate because that was the best trade so far I had this morning and it just went too fast.
Order canceled.
Gosh, dog it. It's a bummer, man. It's a bummer. Such is trading. Beautiful setup. Bounce off the trend line. I can't do nothing about it, man. What do you want me to do? I'll try any red bar ignored now that it's over the top. If it gives us any kind of trend line break or anything, red bar ignored, I'll give it a try.
Order filled.
All right, let's try this.
Stop filled.
I am so good at getting it at the top. Oh my gosh. Well, we had to try it. Now it's falling back below yesterday's close, so okay. Missed this one. This was the best one. It went too quick. But that was, should have had my order waiting perhaps, the way it was moving. Okay. Fell below the close of previous day. Now it's heading back down. So perhaps that's all it wanted to do. I don't know. It's a nice big green daily candle though. It's hard to imagine that one not staying green, but anything can happen. Maybe it'll fall back below the red line. Just keep dancing between the two lines. Maybe it will go back down and fall below the red line and give us a big pintail. Yeah, it's not doing what we want there. Okay. So yeah, it looked like it was going to keep going right here, but we waited until these lines were pointing down, and they just never did point down. The 200 and the 400, they just never pointed down. And we missed our bounce right there. It was too fast. Got in at the top, and that failed. But at least we did try to short it down here when it was... That was a good thing. Let's see if it closes above the 20 right here. Gives us a chance to get back in it. Maybe. I'm afraid to take a drink of coffee. It might go too quick.
Order filled.
See if it goes. All right, back up to the close maybe. I really would like to get a win. One win would be good. I'd be grateful for that, for sure. Very grateful. I don't know if I should target the close or the high, since it's already been to the close. Well, let's just get anything right now. I'll take anything at the moment. Come on, buddy, get up there. Hit my target. That would be so great if it just give me a win today. Give me a win. Give me a win, sir. I don't want to get greedy. I got to hit a 1-to-1 though. I mean, I have to, man. I've got to. I could probably break even. See, here it comes to back to break even. I'm just going to have to break even, I guess, because I'm not going to take a full loss. It's no problem. I'll break even. Break even's better than losing. And I'm got to be strict about, holding for my target and not getting out too early. I got to be strict about that. That has been a flaw for many, many years. So this is one of those things where I am definitely getting better and developing those patience skills. But breaking even ends up happening a lot when you force it to go to your target. I'm thinking about going a little higher and just keeping it on break even. Then it's not even my target yet, so if it starts me out for break even, I'm okay with that.
To seek out the peace only you can provide. In the stillness of worship, the air starts to change as the Spirit of God moves in wonderful ways.
Yeah, I like, at least we got in this time, and they started pointing up. They didn't cross yet, but they did point up. Stop was there. There's almost target 1. Oh, it did hit target 1. Wait a minute. I'm shooting for the close though. Come on, guys, you can get it. Patience and gratitude. Be grateful. Be grateful, be grateful, be grateful. Be grateful, be grateful, be grateful. Be grateful, be grateful, be grateful. Oh, you know what? I don't want to mess with that right now. Come on, target 1 hit. Keep it going. I'm on break even. Let's see if we can get target 2, or at least the high there. I don't want to be greedy, but you gotta learn to hold. You gotta learn to hold. If we got a strong move, it'll keep going, and that'll be great. I'm just trying to develop skills and patience. That's all. I'm not trying to be greedy. 2 or 3 R return is good enough for your trades if you got a decent win rate. There's 2 to 1. Keep going. I'll trail it candle by candle at this point, because if it does a nice spiky move, keep going. Spike on up there. Keep going. Keep going. Go, go, go. Don't get weak. Don't get weak. Don't get weak. Spike up there. Spike up there. Keep going. There you go. Oh, oh, oh. Go, 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 go. Spike up. Spike up. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him.
Stop filled.
All right. So we got 2 to 1. You never know what it's going to do. 2 to 1 was... I'm happy with 2 to 1, man. I'll be honest with you. I needed that win. I was getting my butt kicked. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. This red bar ignored would be another place to get in. I just needed a win, man. I needed to have a win, and so I got out at 2-1. And I tried to trail it, you know, and it would have done good. That little spike down, I would still be in it. So I'm happy with it. Save presentation. Oh, yes, I'm very happy with that. Very, 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 very happy with that. Very happy with that. Indeed, a Ruski. Very, 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 very happy with that. Very happy with that. Indeed, a Ruski. Very, 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 very happy with that. Very happy. So let's see what would have happened if we would have gotten in. Right there would have been a red bar ignored. A lot of times on these bigger moves, faster moves, or if it's been a long move, you just take 1-1, you'd be happy with it, you know. But that didn't quite get to 1-1 before stopping out underneath that red bar for that particular kind of trade. And that's a big move up. But the trend line breaks are working. Just got to figure. I wish I didn't miss this move right here. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. That's the difference between being green and being still red a little bit today. And there's still room for this thing to go up. There's a lot of green lines up there waiting. Oh. Oh, here's another something interesting happening. Gosh, I don't want to be afraid to take it. I wish it would pull back and give us a little bit of a red bar ignored. I mean, there's some targets right up there, boy, I tell you. Come down and give us a 50% of that move, maybe. 50%. Pull back down here a little bit and then bounce again. That would be great. There's a red bar ignored. Possibly.
Order filled.
See if it goes. No, right
Stop
back down.
filled.
It stopped me out in 2 seconds.
Order
Try it
filled.
again. Try it again. See if it'll go. Come on, buddy. Give me something. Give me a 1-to-1 on it at least. Come on, don't be scared. I'll take a 1-to-1 on this. I mean, it just stopped me out for 1-to-1. Come on, get up there. Break through. It's having some trouble breaking through there. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Look at it getting beat down. Trying to get beat down by the sellers, boy. It's not exactly an easy spot for it, huh? Give me a 1-to-1. I'll take a 1-to-1. Go on up there. Spike on up there. There you go. Hit the target. Hit the target. Don't be shy. Keep going. That's pushing through. Tell those sellers what's up. Tell them what's up. Oh well, we tried. Come on, Bubba, get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Don't be scared. Get up there. Fight them up. Fight them up. Fight through. Oh, there was 10 o'clock news. I forgot about that. Fight up there. There you go. Fight on up there. Fight up. I'm going to put my stop a little closer up there. Come on, don't be scared. Get up there. Probably should have took 1-to-1. Able to break even now.
Order
I'm
filled.
getting out.
Order canceled.
I'm getting out. Break even on it. I'm not gonna let it come all the way down here and stop me out. So I put my stop. Yeah, it would have stopped me out because I moved my stop up a little bit. So there was the first stop. Second, yeah, it would have stopped me out. So I'm glad I read that right. Thank goodness. Should have took target 1. I said give me target 1, and after such a big move up, you should be happy with getting anything because it's already moved up so much. 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 10, 1, 2, 3. It's only 400 point candle. 400 point candle, that's not bad. It's not too drastically much. It can still get up to these yellow lines up here. That's previous day's high. So, previous day's high, yeah. That's probably where it wants to go. But I got to get it over the 20. And I got to have those lines pointing up. Right now they're pointing down. So I am not looking to buy long on this yet. Yeah, we got to wait for that to point up. So if we're trading the 1,000 tick chart, which is kind of like the minute chart, we're going to exponentially go larger into the 10,000 tick chart and see if everything looks in the same direction. And it does. So exponentially speaking, things are going up. 5 minutes up, 15 minutes up. Hour chart is up. The problem is trading on smaller time charts where you can get chopped up. You can just keep getting chopped up, even if you're in the right direction. That's a huge issue. Man, so glad I had that win. But then up here, got stopped up. I'm glad I get that break even, man. That was a good thing right there. Break even. This was a loss. Red bar nor didn't go anywhere. I really don't want it to fall below the close of yesterday. But it may chop around all day on that area. See what happens here. If it bounces above the close of the previous day, it's got to get above those lines again, moving averages, and we want to see them pointed up because even this one is ticked down. So these three are down. We don't want to try to go long with this strategy until we get some pop above showing us that it wants to change the direction of the moving averages. There's certain key areas though, like the close of yesterday, where if price falls below, gives you a green bar ignored, 3 of these lines are pointing down, that there's an interesting setup for a quick scalp to the 1-to-1 if you're not trying to hold a long position, because the longer term time charts are still bullish. But when you got the 3 right here crossing over and pointing down at a key level, I would say, you know, that's a great setup for a short for sure. And you know, I want to be able to take those in the future. I just want to, right now I'm just concentrating on, while it's higher time charts are long, all I'm going to do is go long today. We got a big long trend line right here that could easily, well, it could do anything. It could support it, or if it breaks, we're going back down to the red line. Now, if we're going to continue to tick down here on this trading chart, then I think, did we have a tick down? We were still waiting for the bottom one to tick down. Top one looks like it has ticked down, but I'm really not interested in shorting until all of them have ticked down. If we drop down to a lower time chart, we're going to see that everything's ticked down, depending on what your time frame is. But you know, it always depends on your time frame. All right, so it ain't going to take much for everything to tick back up here. We get a pop above this previous day's close again, it's definitely going to give us a buy signal. I mean, it's going to have to not just close above it, but I want to see it continue. Looking today. All right, here it goes super fast. I just can't go that fast. It's just the way it goes. I'm going to have to get some kind of pullback here. Give me some kind of red bar ignored. It's too quick, man. Best trades, it happens too fast. Let's see if this will work here. Okay. If it goes over the top of that red candle there, I'll give it a try. Excuse me. The farther it goes down, the more risk is involved. Ugh, come on. Ooh, nasty. What the heck was that? Okay, some kind of news is coming out, obviously. Some headline.
Dirty dogs indeed. Dirty dogs indeed. Oh my god. Ooh, it's gonna be. What was it? What is it?
Where
What
the
we got?
caveman trade?
We got buyers in crew. Crew continue to push higher here. $100.78. Oh. Yeah, this is. Got a truth. We got. We have a tweet.
So
Tweets.
one thing, for a little while, the volume point of control in the NASDAQ was all the way up at 25.
Yeah, let's see what happens here. Interesting area. See if it continues. I like the pattern. I just want to see it continue. If it doesn't go too quick, we might have something here.
Order
I'll
filled.
give it a shot. If I can get a 1-to-1, that'd be great, though. Just a 1-to-1 would be good, bud. Come on. Okay, let's see what we got here. Come on, buddy, get up there. It bounced off that trend line, off the moving averages, back up over the close of previous day. That's a good sign. It'll keep going. Last time I didn't take the 1-to-1, it punished me for it. So hopefully I'm not too close here to any kind of stop loss. We'll see. We will see. There's the heart one. Where's the horse one?
still sing loudly. When my faith feels fragile, like glass in my hands. When I doubt the calling, I thought I understood.
Come on, buddy, get up there for me. Really, 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 really would appreciate that.
What felt like an ending becomes a doorway to the good. You go before me, you stand beside me, you shine within me. I'm never alone. You go before me, you stand beside me, you shine within me, and lead my soul back home.
Everything. Okay, so that's interesting. Oh, there it is. Okay. Come on, get up there, my friend. Get up there. That's what I need you to do.
When the spring winds
Well, it's been an hour. Hopefully it'll hit this target before I close out the live stream. That would be awesome. Let it play out here and see what happens. Hit my target before I close it out, please. What if I say pretty please? Would you do it then?
stronger. You are faith through every season, every sunrise, every storm I'm in. From the first cry to the final evening, you were holding all my days within.
You just gotta be ruthless, man. You gotta have guts of steel, and that's just all there is to it. Trading is merciless to you, so you gotta do the same thing right back to it. You gotta just go, hey, you know what? Win or lose, I'm holding my position. You know, win or lose, I'm holding my position, and be surprised how things turn out. You're gonna lose, you're gonna win. Hey, it happens. Categories. Win or lose, hold your position. Do not be scared. I'm looking for that one. And where's that one at? Come on, buddy, hit my target so I can close this live stream, all right? Where did that one go? Did I make that one myself? I think I did. Oh, I think I've created that picture myself. So I'm going to have to go to AI. Is it under AI day trading? AI pictures here. Oh, gosh. Who knows where that thing's at? Okay, let's try this one. Boy, I don't know if I'm going to find it. Let's just take that one and put, yeah, all I got to do is modify it. All right, I'm going to end the live stream. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, I'm live streaming at different days now. So, see, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday live streaming. I had to change my information, but take care, everybody. I'll